In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gemini in Gmail. First, sign in to Gmail. This is the starting point of your journey. You will see a familiar login screen where you can enter your email address and password. Once you enter your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This action brings you to your inbox. Your inbox is where all your emails are organized and easily accessible. It's essential to ensure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. This keeps everything streamlined and saves you from any confusion about which account you are working with. Once you are signed in, open your inbox. This is where you will find all your received emails. You should see messages organized by date with the newest ones at the top. The layout is typically user-friendly, with folders and labels on the left side to help you navigate. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space, as it's crucial for managing your communications. If you are new to Gmail, don't worry, the interface is designed to be intuitive. Just look for the main section where your emails are displayed. Next, look for the Gemini icon in the top right corner. This icon resembles a star and signifies the presence of Gemini features in your Gmail. If you spot this icon, it means that Gemini is available for your account. This little star is more than just a symbol. It indicates that you have access to advanced AI capabilities that can enhance your email experience. It's important to identify this icon because it confirms that you are eligible to use Gemini. If you don't see it, your account may not have the necessary features enabled. If you see the Gemini icon, congratulations! This means that Gemini is enabled for your account. You can now explore the features and benefits that come with this functionality. Gemini can help you streamline your email process, making it easier to manage your communications effectively. This capability is particularly valuable for users who receive a large volume of emails daily. By enabling Gemini, you can potentially save time and increase productivity. You will notice how these advanced features can assist you in composing, organizing, and responding to emails more efficiently. To summarize, signing into Gmail, navigating to your inbox, and locating the Gemini icon are key steps in enabling this feature. Each step is designed to guide you carefully through the process, ensuring you understand what to look for and why it matters. If you have followed these steps and identified the Gemini icon, you are on your way to taking advantage of this powerful tool. Keep exploring Gmail's features, and feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Thank you for watching and happy emailing!